Welcome to the Department of Consumer and Business Affairs. In this video, we will explain the new rules the Small Claims Court has adopted for the exchange and submission of evidence. In response to the COVID-19 pandemic, many litigants are requesting to appear remotely for their small claims hearing. Prior to the pandemic, evidence was presented to the court and exchanged with the other parties on the date of the hearing. Now all evidence must be submitted to the court as well as all parties in the case prior to the date of the hearing. The evidence can either be mailed or personally delivered. The court and the parties must be in receipt of the evidence at least 10 days before the hearing. The new procedure for the exchange and submission of evidence is outlined on Forms LASC, CIV 278 and 279. The court should have provided you with both of these forms. However, if you did not receive either of these forms or you need an additional copy, please visit the website at lacourt.org and click on the tab Forms, Filings, and Files and scroll to the Small Claims Forms. If you would like to provide written evidence to support your case, be sure to follow these steps. The first step is to mail or deliver a copy of the evidence to all parties. If you mail the evidence, be sure to request proof of mailing. The second step is to provide a copy of the evidence to the court. In an envelope, include a copy of the evidence, the completed form LASC CIV 278. Be sure to also include the proof of mailing. If you would like the court to return your evidence after the hearing, you will also need to include a self-addressed envelope with the correct amount of prepaid postage. Remember to use the mailing label provided on Form LASC CIV 279. When submitting the envelope to the court, it can either be mailed or placed in the civil drop-off box located outside the courthouse. It is important to note there is an exception. If the defendant, in other words, the person being sued, files with the court a defendant's claim, SC-120, there may not be enough time to submit and exchange evidence 10 days before the court date. Regardless, all parties should follow the procedure, and the judge will decide on the day of the hearing if the court will consider the evidence. Remember to always keep copies of the evidence, proof of mailing, and forms for your records in case they have to be resubmitted. Thank you for joining us. We hope this video outlined the new court procedures for the exchange and submission of evidence. Be sure to check out our other small claims videos located on our website.